How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today I'm unboxing this cooling blanket, and this is by LLANCL. I don't know how to pronounce it.
LLANCL.
LLANCL.
Yep.
Hey, smart. That's my kid. All right, so LLANCL, that's the brand cooling blanket, and I'll be very honest with you guys. I do have one blanket, and I love it. And my son fell in love with it, and he decided to order one for himself. And this is just something amazing. We live in Florida, and it gets very hot, so we decided to give this a try. And this is something we picked up from Amazon. So I'm going to be unboxing this, and I'm going to show you exactly what it comes with. They come in different sizes, but the one that we order, you order a king, correct?
Yep.
So we end up ordering a king for him, and because he's the king. So here is all that is inside the box. Nothing else comes in the box, and it kind of tells you right here what exactly it is. So this is cooling blanket. Nothing much, simple box, nice packing. Comes with this nice cover, travel pouch. All right, and we got him a different color. So this is like a blue. Yeah, this is more like a blue color. So let's get it out. This is cooling blanket. And guys, just the feel of it is like so cool, like really, really nice and cool feeling. And I've been using it for a few days, and the best part is once you undo this, and even if you're inside the blanket and it gets a little bit warmer, you just do like this and it gets cool. And I don't know what they're using inside. It feels very smooth, feels like silk, but I'm not exactly sure if it's really silk or what exactly it is. Let's see what it says over there. Here's some information that you can read. They're just care instruction first. This is the brand, cool, and this is what they recommend. Yes, you can pause the video and see for yourself what exactly it is. I haven't read a whole lot of stuff except for washing, because if it's brand new, you may want to wash it, because who knows, what manufacturing process it went through. But it looks pretty clean. So just wanted to show you guys. It has two sides. So one of them is kind of like light blue, and the other side is gray. And what color is mine?
Yours is just like plain gray.
Plain gray. Okay. So yeah, this is just amazing stuff, and very nice and smooth feel to the silk, and it's not too thick. It's thin enough, but it's warm enough. It keeps you warm, but it keeps you cool. That's the good thing about it. So just wanted to share that experience with you guys. Let me go upstairs and show you guys what my blanket looks like. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is my blanket. As you can see, both sides are gray.
That makes it hard to tell which is upside down and which is upright.
Yeah, but I guess it doesn't really matter, because there's no right side up. It looks the same both sides, which is a good thing, because you can flip it and then use it however you want to. But guys, the feel for this thing is just amazing. Well worth the money. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can get this blanket, and they have different sizes, different color options. So feel free to check it out. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try to help you. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be unboxing is the cooling blanket. This is the pillowcases for the same brand. There you can see, and we'll go ahead and unbox this. We end up buying the pillowcases because of how well made this thing was. You can see the quality is just amazing, really, really nicely refined. So it's one box with the two pillowcases. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so as you can see, it comes in a bag, which is amazing. You know, really nice bag. In fact, this bag you can use it in your laundry for washing stuff. In fact, so you can throw this in this bag. So this is kind of like a washing bag for these pillowcases. So you can throw the pillowcases inside this bag and wash it. So you know, so they're not on their own. But here they are. This is the pillowcases. You can see how well they are. This is the same quality as this one, and nice cooling pillowcases. Alright, so this is, if you notice the blanket, so the blanket have a lot of layers, of course, because it is a blanket, so you have the same stuff, you know, more layers. But this is this one layer, but this is really nice and soft feel to it. So there are different sizes. If you look on their website or on Amazon, there are different sizes, but the one I got is I think the queen size, I believe. So, or the standard 60 by 30, whatever the size was, I can't remember right now. So, you know, this is the size that I got, and very nicely made. You know, the stitches are really nice. You know, you don't see any seam or any threading. You know, it's really nicely threaded as well. So good quality stuff. You know, I love these blankets. In fact, I ended up ordering 3 for my family. My mom loved it, and my son loved it. He wanted one, so we got him one as well. And you know, so this is amazing, good quality stuff, guys. So if you're looking to stay cool in summer, this is the stuff that you may want to get, and I can assure you you're gonna love it. This is just great stuff. All right, guys, hopefully this video helps you guys. You know, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.